Hello, my name is Ray Hampton and I'm the Senior National Sales Manager here at BISCO. I've been with BISCO for 15 years. I oversee the processes that help us provide a level of service that our customers expect to receive from BISCO. So I'm constantly evaluating these processes and trying to find ways in which we can improve to help maintain that level of service that we provide our customers.
I conduct clinical and user needs research, so I do that by collecting feedback from clinicians about our products and materials throughout their lifetime of device, so from initial prototype testing all the way through years after the launch. This is extremely impactful because it helps ensure safety and performance of our devices.
I work on videos, email blasts, ads, brochures, labels, all marketing materials.
Daily job is providing technical support to the chemists on product development and making sure that the testing are done and documented per FDA requirement and ISO requirement for international market.
I develop new products, so working on the task force for the whole product development process from formulation to production finishing, and test our existing products to match with regulatory standards, and work on any kind of design changes that need to happen on our product lines.
I am in charge of training our key opinion leaders that love our products and they talk about our products out there in the market. I'm also in charge of continuous training that we do with our sales staff and people from different departments. Our message is about us being involved or us caring about the research and the science behind product development.
We have 4 people in our department, and you have to consider that we sell BISCO products worldwide. We sell into 90 countries through 94 distributors. Each country have their own set of rules and regulations, if you will, so things like currency fluctuations, regulatory issues, culture, all has an impact on how we get the product to market in these specific countries.
So as an associate product manager, my role is to manage the product throughout its entire life cycle. So that includes supporting R&D, gathering competitive data, analyzing costs, determining selling price, packaging, and also defining what the product vision is, and then communicating with different departments to bring that vision to life.
So my job is to provide our customers with the highest quality dental restoratives on the market. An average day for me consists of reaching out to existing and potentially new clients and providing them not only with high quality customer service, but also expertise on the items that we sell.
In the warehouse, I give the product to production and they actually make product to send to the customer. So in warehouse, I'm kind of the start of the whole process after sales of getting the product to the customer. When I work shipping, that's shipping it to the customer. So making sure everything's on time, sent to the right place. And it's really fulfilling to see the start to the finish and know at the end of that shipment is another satisfied customer.
My job is printing the labels and auto bags. Those labels help our customers with identifying, organizing, and inventorying the products.
My responsibility is to promote sales growth and performance within my region, which is Europe, and also to develop and maintain a positive, healthy business relationship with the distributor.
So I love that I'm part of the process of giving people the smile that they deserve. You know, oral health is such a critical and often underappreciated part of a person's well-being, and I love knowing that I'm helping to improve that in people across the country.
What I love about working at BISCO is everybody is willing to teach. Any question I have, they show me the whole process for it.
The part I love most about our job is the creative freedom, taking a concept or idea and making it into an actual printed piece, such as a brochure, and knowing that it will help a customer or future customer with their dental needs.
I love the variety. I'm able to wear many hats and gain hands-on experience. And I feel like I've learned so much about the entire product life cycle, and I'm always on my toes. I'm always acquiring new skills because every day could be different with what I'm doing.
It is what we make it because of the community of people that are here. And so it's always growing and always changing as we are growing and changing.
Our customers should feel confident and safe that it's excellent chemistry, care and safety put into every product that BISCO provides?
The quality of the products, I think, depend on how we're developing it and what kind of testing we done. And we actually have to do a lot of testing to make sure that the product meet their requirement for physical properties and also for safety.
BISCO is a great company because they're not only dedicated to dental restorative materials, but also to me as an employee. And that balance is extremely important to me, and it's important to them.
I've watched for the last 5 years. BISCO has invested a lot of money into the R&D to provide the best possible solutions to the customers.
Over the 15 years I've been with BISCO, I've traveled to many annual sessions, a lot of the smaller KOL, key opinion leader lectures, and everyone that I've been to, I've always had customers come up to us and just tell us what a great company BISCO is and the products that we offer, and again, the expertise that we're able to provide them. It makes you feel good that what we're doing here at BISCO is the right thing, and it just makes you feel good that you work at BISCO.
We provide service to the people that contact us, not necessarily by promoting our products, but by providing solid science on how to perform a specific protocol. And I think that is one of the reasons why people appreciate us so much.
At BISCO, the people and the atmosphere make you feel like you're part of the family. And we hope that it carries on to our customers as if they were part of the family.
I genuinely like the people that I work with. I take pride in the work that we do here, and I feel like the supportive environment that's fostered internally here allows us to be better engaged as employees and ultimately contributes to us being able to provide great products for our customers.
Here at BISCO, we put our heart and soul into everything we do, and I really hope that shows.
It's the people working here. From our president and founder to our front desk receptionist, we are all part of a team.
BISCO it's a great place to be. We always put the customer first. We always put our best foot forward.
They really take good care of all their employees, and this past year has really shown what it means to take care of its employees.
I am grateful to be with BISCO for all these years and see the changing that BISCO has improved from all of the departments.
I think BISCO's greatest strength comes from the people working here. They love what they do and they love how they do it.
Everything that we make here is thought over and cared about by a team of people that are personally part of it and see it as their goal and vision to bring these things to the market, and it's very personal.
You have someone like Dr. Suh bringing that passion and the tenacity, building this company because he believes in it. He's a leader, he's an innovator. He's one of those guys that will definitely have an impact on you. BISCO cares. BISCO has its heart in the right place because they do believe, we believe, that we can make better things, that dentistry can be enhanced, that dentistry can be better.
Happy anniversary, BISCO.
Happy 40th anniversary, BISCO.
Happy anniversary, BISCO.
Happy anniversary, BISCO.
Happy anniversary, BISCO.
It seems only 4 years ago I started BISCO. Time passed by very fast. Sad part is I am 40 years older than I started. Bright side is that BISCO survived that long and grown. It is all because of you, loyal customer, friendly KOL, and hardworking employee. I am very grateful for the success of BISCO. I am looking forward to another great 40 years.